I'm Belinda Goodrich, President of PM Learning Solutions, and I wanted to talk to you today about Agile Project Management, and the PMI Agile Certified Practitioner Certificate. We offer training on PMI-ACP, and we get a lot of questions. So the intention of this video today is to answer those questions. So let's start off with Agile. What is Agile? Agile really came to be in the forefront at the beginning of this century, really started to gain a lot of traction. It originated out of software development, but we started to see it go more and more mainstream and actually reach out and expand beyond just software development projects. Nowadays, we see a lot of hybrids, right? Where people are using some predictive approaches, partnered with some adaptive approaches, those agile approaches as well. It's a way of delivering work in small incremental pieces, making sure that those pieces are done correctly. They're what we call done, and ready to go before we move to the next piece. This allows us to introduce change later in our project without the disruption that we would see in a predictive project. It also allows us to make sure our customers and our end users are very satisfied with our process and our project. Now, depending on the amount of experience or exposure you've had to Agile, you may be aware that there is a Agile Certified Practitioner certificate from PMI, the Project Management Institute. It's a great certification to either get as your first certification from PMI or as an add-on if you already have your PMP or your CAP-M, so your Project Management Professional or your Certified Associate in Project Management. The PMI-ACP, the Agile Certified Practitioner, is a 120 question test. 3 hours to answer those 120 questions. Those questions discuss and cover all different aspects of Agile. Now, you may be familiar with what we call a Certified Scrum Master, CSM. I have my CSM. And Scrum Master is specific to leading Scrum projects, which is a type of Agile. The PMI-ACP is different because it touches certainly on Scrum because it is the most popular Agile approach, but it also covers other approaches as well, such as XP, Lean, Kanban. So it gives you a little bit broader reach, a broader stroke, so to speak. Now, in order to qualify for your PMI-ACP exam, you have to have a couple of things. The first is 2,000 hours of project experience. Now, if you have your PMP already, you meet that qualification. Nothing else that you need to do. In addition to the 2,000 hours, you need 1,500 hours in Agile projects or being involved with Agile methodologies. Now, here's the great thing. You don't have to have been leading those projects. You don't need to be a Scrum Master. You just have to be part of that project team or working within that project, those project boundaries. That is a great low barrier to entry to take this exam. In addition, you need 21 education units. So let's talk about your 21 education units, your hours that you need. Here at PM Learning Solution, I teach and facilitate our PMI-ACP Exam Prep Bootcamp. It's a 3-day class, and it gives you everything you need in order to be successful on your exam on your first attempt. Of course, just like with any of our boot camps, our PMI-ACP class includes our access to PM University, where you get to practice with online exams. Best way to know that you're ready. You also get our exam pass guarantee, and we always stand behind our programs with our satisfaction guarantee as well. If you're not completely satisfied, we refund your money. We are a PMI registered education provider, and your hours from the class give you 24 PDUs, professional development units. So if you happen to have your PMP, what a great way to earn 24 PDUs towards maintaining your PMP credential. Plus, it meets your educational requirements for the ACP. The PMI-ACP is a great certification to pursue, and we're just seeing more and more demand out there within the marketplace. So if you've been thinking about it, considering it, kind of interested in it, reach out to us. We are happy to help you, guide you through the application process, and see if it makes sense for you to pursue this credential in 2019. Have a great day.